Guys, today I want to show you a construction site, and this is what is happening now. Nataka mjue hii ni nini inatengenezwa hapa na kazi yake ni nini. Sasa hii ni kama wanafanya excavation. Hii ni trench excavation wanafanya, wanatoa mchanga. Wacha tuone engineer hapa atuelezea ni nini anafanya hapa kwa site. Now, this is a trench. Wacha tumuone hapa atuelezee hii ni nini. Mr. Engineer.
Yes.
Tungependa kujua ni nini unajenga hapa na utuelezee kidogo tu kazi yake ni gani.
Hapa we are doing a retaining wall. Now from what you can see, there are different elevations. We have a structure on this end and a structure on this end. There are two different levels with some amounts of soil which you don't need on this other side. So we have to impound. We want to impound this soil so that it remains on that end. So we'll do a structure here, a retaining wall. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kwanza umesema retaining wall Yeah. Kuna watu maybe hawajui what is a retaining wall. Unaweza waelezea kidogo tu briefly what is a retaining wall?
Now a retaining wall is a structural element that is meant to impound, let's say, if the amounts of soil. Because for this example, we have this soil, this volume of soil from that level to that head, which you want to impound to ensure that it doesn't fall off to this other side.
Okay, so kazi ya retaining wall ni kushika hii mchanga
to maintain the integrity of
ikae tu vile iko.
Yes.
Sababu kuna some excavations umefanya hapa.
Yes,
isianguke.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now hii retaining wall inatengenezwa na mawe ama ni concrete ama inatengenezwa na nini?
Now it depends, but in this case, our case, you are doing a concrete retaining wall.
Okay.
It's reinforced concrete retaining wall. Yeah.
So unaweza tuelezea tu kidogo tu the process ya kuitengeneza?
I think now the first of all is the excavation. Once you do excavation for the foundation, and then you tie your reinforcement, you do your formwork, and then you concrete.
Okay.
Yeah.
So na hizi chuma naona zimewekwa huku, ni za kazi gani?
This one, this is our toe. Our retaining wall. This is the reinforcement for retaining wall. We have a toothing. This is the toothing, and this is the top.
Okay.
Yeah, it is meant to resist this soil that will be backfilled on this end, and putting this soil. Okay. And there will be some poor water. So those are pressures that will be acting on this thing. That's why it must be reinforced and it must be strong. So that it maintains the integrity of the structure there and enables the services here workable also.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, sasa unaweza tuelezea maybe hii chuma imefungwa hapa chini. Hii sasa iko hapa. Kazi yake ni gani? Hizi naona zimefungwa.
This one is for the top.
Oh, itafungwa zikiwa mbili juu na chini.
Yes.
Okay.
There will be a slab of around 200 and 250 depth. Yeah, 250 depth. And then this is the wall. There will be another reinforcement.
So hapa kutatengenezwa hizi 1 2 hizi kienda hivi.
Yes, there will be more same like this running along.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
and then we do
nice.
formwork and concrete.
Okay. So kuna standard dimensions za hii toothing ama ni kulingana na
specifically from design. Yeah, design from the structural engineer design, which puts in place the pressures, active pressures that guide him to define the reinforcement sizes, the toe length, the depth, etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically tu hii ni hii kazi yake tu ni kushika hii mchanga
to retain the soil and any other pressures that are actively involved, like poor water. Because when you do the retaining wall, we'll also do for poor waters we'll do whip holes so that we reduce the pressures acting.
Na hizo whip holes ni
whip holes, it means when it rains, the waters, this soil will be soaked. It will have water which will increase the poor water pressure in this wall, and the poor water pressure will be acting on the retaining wall.
Okay, now niko na swali kidogo tu. Naona mlianza kuchimba huko juu. Na hapa kuna nyumba iko hapa. So hii nyumba haingeanguka ama after mmechimba hivi naona mmechimba around 2 meters.
Yes, I think that's basically why we the need to do that retaining wall. Because with the time we expect that without doing it there'll be the erosion, and this will be overhanging. The house will be overhanging in future if you don't do a retaining wall here.
Okay.
So to preserve the integrity of this building, this structure, and what we are doing, it's very necessary for the retaining wall.
Okay. Na hizi chuma hizi lazima zikuwe ama the sizes unasikia kuna D10, D12. Hii sasa kama for this case hii ni which?
This is the 12. That's our main bar. And the 10 as our distribution bar. Yeah, the other to run.
Zenye zina run hivi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are doing so because it is sufficient to retain to contain the bending.
Okay. That is nice. Na hii ni nini hii amebeba hapa hii for example?
These are spacer tools. Yeah.
Sasa hizi zinatumika aje?
I think you can demonstrate. Come. These ones are meant to space when we do our concrete.
Okay.
Yeah, so that separate the two set of reinforcement, the top and bottom.
Okay. So ni kama tu ya kushikilia hii iko juu.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
So hapa ndani kutajazwa mchanga ama kutajazwa nini? Hapo katikati.
It will be concrete.
Concrete.
Yes, pure concrete.
Oh. So all round vile nimeona mmechimba hivyo, hiyo itakuwa concrete yote na chuma kama hii.
After laying all this, we will do all concrete.
Okay. Hebu weka zile zingine. Ona. Weka zile zingine hapo hivyo vile zinafuatana. Utaziweka aje?
Utaingiza tu hapo.
Si lazima ungeziingiza kwanza kutoka chini. Oh. Inaweza ingia tu. Inafaa ikuwe ina face aje? Inafaa iface aje?
Inafaa hivyo.
Oh, inua hii. Weka tu zote tuone. Na hii Joshua, hii inafaa iflash hapa juu ama inafaa ikwaje?
That one is just
Ama inafaa ikue hivi.
no, it must yeah, because it will be a continuous. Another bar, a small one, will start from, we'll lap with that one to within the training wall.
Okay.
Yeah, there will be another bar to lap with that one. Okay,
hii imetokana hapa. Leta ingine. Zimeisha. Ona.
Okay.
Kwanza nikuinulie hapa. Iko sawa? So, hebu tengeneza hapo. Itengeneze ikae ilale vizuri. Ona, hii ya hapa chini, hebu itengeneze ilale vizuri. Irudishe hii side. Angalia tu. Mbona inakaa hivyo? Si inafaa ikuwe flat. Inakuwa flat. Hiyo imeshikwa hapo na hiyo chuma. Ayalalisha. So inafaa ikuwe hivyo. Na hapa ita run kutoka mwisho tu mwisho.
Yes.
Ita run mwisho mpaka mwisho.
Yes, it's supposed to run all the whole length of this excavated part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lalisha tu hivi. So hapa kuna zingine zita run horizontal.
Yes, there are those that run horizontal.
Mhm.
In fact, go and get the 10 coconut cutter. Want to demonstrate how it will go. There are those that will run across the side, and then formwork, and then concrete.
Okay. Umesema kuna zenye zitasimama kutoka hapa kupanda juu. D10.
Yes.
Sasa hiyo itashikwa na nini?
Yeah?
Hiyo itashikwa na nini?
Yani,
Hiyo D10 itasimama hapa.
it will lap with this.
Oh, italap.
It will lap with this to start from the upper chin.
Oh, okay. Hiyo inatosha. 10 minutes.